Welcome to Sony Internet Device tutorial from Islambox by Tech Solutions. The Sony device is an Internet Protocol device which converts your TV into Smart TV. Here we will show how to set up the Sony device to enjoy Islambox service. We have one Sony device, one remote, one Ethernet cable, one HDMI cable and one power adapter. Now let's come to the device. If we look at the back side of the device, we find one double-cut power connector port named as AC in. We have two USB ports for USB connectivity, one RJ45 LAN port for internet, one infrared blaster port, one digital optical out port, one HDMI in port and one HDMI out port. Now let's connect these ports with cables. Please take the HDMI cable, which you may purchase separately, and connect it with HDMI out port. Then connect the second end with HDMI port of your LCD TV. Now please connect the RJ45 connector with the LAN port. The other end will be connected with your LAN internet source, but it is not required if you use Wi-Fi. Finally, connect the power pin with power port and connect the power adapter with power socket. Now we have set up the Sony device. Let us connect the software with Islambox service to enjoy Islambox channels. Turn on Sony device and it will ask you to pair the remote with the device. Please press the FN function key and middle enter button together for 8 seconds to pair the remote. When the remote will be paired successfully, please select the desired language and press next. Then there is remote tutorial for you, but we are going to skip it. On the next screen, please leave the startup time as it is. Then you need to maximize your screen. Press required buttons on remote accordingly to maximize the screen. On the next screen, you need to accept the license agreement. After pressing the next button, you need to connect your internet. On the next screen, please enter your Gmail ID and password. In the next screen, you need to skip. On the next screen, select I do not have box option and select next, because we are not going to connect it with any other box. On the next screen, select no for remote information and skip the next screen and select register later on the next screen. Finally, the device will restart, and after the restart, there will be steps of Google Play Store. Please keep pressing the next button until the final screen comes and then press that's it. The Sony device has been set up. Now we will install the Islambox application on this device. You have main interface of Android. Please select the Google Play Store. After accepting the terms and conditions, in the Google Play Store, in the search bar on the top right side, please type Islambox. Then select it and press install. The installation will start after pressing the accept and download. Now Islambox application is on application menu. Please execute the Islambox application and it will require your ID and password. Please enter your ID and password, and if you do not have, then please call customer support to get one. Now you can enjoy Islambox channel on Sony device. Thank you very much. Islambox.